A-rip-dip-de-doo, and welcome back to another episode of Bamboo and Bitters. My name is Pete, and this is my home tiki bar, the Forecastle. You know, nowadays everything is AI. Cat videos are AI, you're AI, I'm AI, everything is AI. Bearing that in mind, we asked AI to make us the greatest original tiki cocktail of all time. And so far, we're on our third try at this. Andy, roll the painfully weird AI tiki intro. And as always, here's my lovely co-host, Miss Andy. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me back.
Now, so far we've had two AI-created tiki cocktails.
The Marauder's Gold was passable.
Okay.
And then we had the Hibiscus Mariner.
Oh, yes.
That one was
Hibiscus Mariner.
the pink drink, if you remember. That
Pink
was
one,
kind
yes.
of fun.
I didn't like it. And today we're gonna try something new called,
The Jade Constellation.
are you excited?
I'm excited.
And today just happens to be a very special Tiki Tuesday. Today also just happens to be St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
And boy, you dressed for the occasion. You look marvelous in your green dress.
Oh, thank you so much. Who the hell's that?
Hello, Pete and Andy. Did you have a question about today's tiki cocktail?
Who the hell are you?
Great question, Pete. I'm artificial intelligence, and I think you're doing a terrific job. Today's tiki cocktail syrup is made with matcha and mint. Sounds healthy. Modern tiki is currently obsessed with green and botanical profiles, using ingredients like green tea, cucumber, or garden herbs to balance the heavy rums. Tastes like a rainforest. Grassy, earthy, and bright. Paired with gin, it becomes an herbal powerhouse.
Nobody asked you.
Sounds great. You're so right. It's important to note that Rhum Agricole is made with sugarcane juice rather than molasses.
Oh, do shut up.
Okay, you're doing great.
Yeah, bye.
Ugh, I hate that guy.
That handsome son of a bitch. Could you magically make the ingredients appear, please?
Voila!
Whoa, wow. That was cool. Huh?
Magic.
I didn't even know we had money for it. You can put your arms down now. The magic is over. I didn't even know we had money for magic, but apparently we do. Let's make this bad boy, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's make the Matcha-Mint syrup. To begin, let's make a simple syrup. 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water. Let's warm it up. We don't have to get it to a boil. While warm, we're gonna add a handful of fresh mint and let steep for 15 minutes. Don't worry about the stems. Okay, after 15 minutes, let's strain out the mint and then whisk in 1 teaspoon of high-quality matcha powder until perfectly smooth. We're gonna finally strain it into a bottle and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Good to go. Let's keep going. Okay, let's start with our Matcha-Mint syrup. We're gonna need 3/4 of an ounce. And since we're making 2, I believe if my math is correct, that's 1.5 ounces.
Okay.
Next up, we'll need 2 dashes of our brand new bottle of cucumber bitters.
Ooh, shame and a dash.
Next, we need 1/4 ounce of Falernum.
Fair enough.
And of course, if we're making 2, we bring it to the half mark. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh. Need 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. I'm glad we always have limes on hand. We always seem to have a plethora of limes. Too many limes, you may say.
Yep. I guess.
How do you like to celebrate St. Patrick's Day?
Oh.
Besides having green tiki cocktails.
A pint of beer after my tiki cocktails. Is
Like a
always
Guinness?
Nice, like a nice Guinness.
Well, I like corned beef and cabbage.
Oh yes.
I like some potatoes on the side, like we had earlier today. That was
Yep,
delicious.
Yep, you make the best corned beef and
Thank
cabbage.
you, thank you.
Definitely look forward to that.
Now need 1 ounce of coconut water, and again, if you're making 2, that's 2 ounces. My wife has a heavy pour. I'll give her that,
I
but
do.
that's okay.
Comes out to make good cocktails.
It does.
You don't So never shy away from the heavy pour.
We're gonna go with half an ounce of London dry gin. And again, as you probably already know, when you're making cocktails at home, you want to start with the cheap ingredients first before you get up to the actual booze. In case you make a mistake, right?
Right.
1.5 ounces of Rhum Agricole Blanc.
Blanc. That is French for white.
You learn something new every. We didn't even need AI to explain that to
We
us.
did not.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's okay.
And that's from the island of Martinique. Have you ever been to Martinique?
Not yet.
I've been there.
No, he hasn't.
I have. I really have. I had a life before I met you.
Oh, did you?
Believe it or not.
Huh. Interesting.
Yeah, one more. Okay, let's watch the magic of this green.
So green.
Woo. Cheers.
Cheers.
Enjoy,
Oh,
or
gosh.
not.
It's like a green juice.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it tastes exactly like a green
like
juice,
a green juice.
like something you would get at the at the spa afterwards
Yeah.
or something. It's almost a little spicy.
Yeah, it's. Can I say it's good?
It is good actually. This
I kind of
is,
like it. It's very refreshing. It feels very healthy. I feel like I'm getting all my vitamins somehow.
Boy, this would be wonderful after a day at the spa or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I think they may have actually done it this time.
Jade Constellation.
This is a good drink. The Jade Constellation.
You run through a few AI drinks and you hit a good one.
Is it the best tiki cocktail ever? No. This is a 3.5 star at best. It's good.
Yeah.
You would love this on a nice hot summer day. I think it's fabulous.
Yeah. A good Guinness chaser right here.
Let us know in the comments below if you would make this drink. I can assure you it's not a bad drink, right?
Yeah.
We'll keep trying.
We'll keep trying.
And by the way, some of you might be wondering, why don't you just make some like Dom Beach or Trader Vic drinks? Because there's a million other channels already doing that. We want to try original drinks that no one's ever had before. And we've had many, many different cocktails. And after this, we'll probably have a Mai Tai.
We left it to chance and we got something good. So yeah. Happy Tiki Tuesday and see you next time.
ʻŌkole maluna.